In recent years, Pixel owners had a question for Google. Why were they only promising 3 years of OS updates when Samsung offered 4? Google's response? A mind-blowing 7 years of OS and security updates for the new Pixel 8 and Pixel 8 Pro. Yes, you heard it right, 7 whole years. Even Apple, known for its complete control over hardware and software, was left in the dust. Now the spotlight turns to Samsung, the other heavyweight in the smartphone arena. Android Police reports that Samsung is gearing up to extend its software support for the upcoming Galaxy S24 lineup. Right now, Samsung delivers 4 years of OS updates and 5 years of security updates for Galaxy S21, S22, and S23 owners. It's already a massive task as Samsung rolls out security patches to over 1 billion Galaxy devices every month and 10 billion annually. Impressive, right? But wait, there's more. During Samsung's recent developer conference in San Francisco, Shin Chul-baek, principal engineer and technical program manager of the mobile experience security team, hinted at something big. He revealed that Samsung has been working on extending support for more than 5 years. They're on a mission to keep over 150 Galaxy devices worldwide secure and up to date. Samsung even categorizes these devices into monthly, quarterly, and biannual security update groups. Can you believe it? The list includes some top-tier models as well as enterprise favorites. While Samsung might not match Google's 7-year OS update extravaganza, they could certainly go toe-to-toe in the security update arena. Imagine owning a Samsung device with 7 years of security updates. The ball is now firmly in Samsung's court, and we can't wait to see their move. Exciting times for smartphone users are ahead.